Hi, this is Lori Whitlock. Welcome to the YouTube channel. Today we're going to be putting together this cute double tote carrier, and you can get the cutting files for this project at shop.loriwhitlock.com in SVG format, and it's also available at the Silhouette design store. So after you cut everything out, you're going to go ahead and these cute little flowers are going to go on this outside covering panel of our wrap. So I've just gone ahead and layered those up and glued those in place. They're pretty straightforward and simple. In the file, they'll be layered just like they need to be layered in your final project. So you can always reference that original in order to get everything in the right place. So we're just going to glue this glue tab here and here to form our wrap. Let me just go ahead and scoot our basic card base out of the way, and we'll get to that in just a moment. So go ahead and put adhesive on this glue tab here. We're just going to line it up and glue it to its neighbor. And we're going to do the same thing on the other part of the wrap here. Just put adhesive on that glue tab and fold it nice and flat. So this should lay nice and flat on your table, so you can just push down on that. And that completes the wrap for our project. To create the inside portion of the box, you're going to have two pieces that look just like this. And we're going to go ahead and start folding all of these score lines in one direction. Okay, so then let's just go ahead and do that with this other piece as well. These are actually going to overlap right here, and so it's going to form a box in this direction here. And this little tab here is actually going to fold the opposite direction, and it's going to glue down into the bottom of the box like that. So just make sure you fold everything in the correct direction. And do the same thing on this side here. Okay, and then we're just going to take this piece and overlap it into the bottom of the box. And this makes the bottom of the box nice and sturdy. But we're just going to put some adhesive on this section. So I'm going to line that up just perfectly and glue that down. And now you can pull those inner sides of those boxes, those interlocking sides up, and interlock them with each other. And now we just have to put some adhesive on these sides and wrap them around and glue them down. Looks like my tape runner is out, so we'll just go ahead and use some liquid glue for this. We'll do these two sides first. Now that we have our two halves completed, we just need to glue them together in the handle area. So let's just go ahead and put some adhesive through the handle. Don't put it down below the handle, just in this upper handle section. And then you'll want to line those sides up, but like I said, no glue down here in this part, just up in the handle area. Just line everything up nice and neatly and glue those handles back to back. Okay, once you've glued those back to back, you can close your project just like that and slide your wrap on to hold it together. Look how cute that is. It's a fun little presentation, and when the recipient gets the project, they'll just open that up, and it can open up into a little tray that's just a cute little holder. You can put candies, treats, party favors, organize little trinkets in it, fun things like that. And the little flower on it makes it so cute. I think that this will be a treasured little gift that you could give to somebody. I hope you have a great day, and I hope you enjoy making this adorable little box carrier. Have a great day. Bye-bye.